In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Motif C, and you can choose any 3 of the 5 colors to make it. We're going to start with, I'm going to start with turquoise. I'm going to tie our yarn to our crochet hook. And make a chain 5. Slip stitch to the 5th chain from our hook to form a ring. We're going to start with a chain 5 for round 1, and that chain 5 counts as a double crochet chain 2. Then work a double crochet in the ring, yarn over, insert your hook in the ring, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, chain 2, double crochet in the ring, and we'll repeat that all the way around until we have a total of 12 double crochets and 12 chain 2 spaces. Notice that I am working around my tail and the chain 5 space and the chain 5 ring, and that's to start the process of weaving in the loose end as we go. You can also slide your stitches around a little bit when you need to make more room in the ring to work the full amount of stitches for round 1. At the end of round 1, we're going to slip stitch to the 3rd chain of the beginning chain 5 to join the round. And that's what the end of round 1 should look like. We're going to fasten off and pick another color for round 2. I'm going to pick coral for this color for this round, and you want to tie your yarn to your crochet hook again. And slip stitch into any chain 2 space around. Chain 3, which counts as a double crochet. Now I'm going to choose to work over my tails as I go, just to help speed up the weaving in the loose end process. We're going to work a 4 double crochet cluster into that first chain 2 space. Yarn over your hook. Insert your hook in the space, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. We'll do that 3 more times. Yarn over, pull through all 5 loops on your hook. Chain 3. In the next chain 2 space, we're going to work a 5 double crochet cluster. Yarn over, insert your hook in the space, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Do that 4 more times in the same space. You should have 6 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all 6 loops on your hook. Chain 3. And this is what we will repeat all the way around. The round, you want to slip stitch to the top of the first cluster stitch at the beginning of the round to join, and this is what the end of round 2 should look like. We're going to fasten off and pick a 3rd color for round 3. I'm going to pick lilac this time, and you want to join your yarn with a slip stitch to any chain 3 space. Let's tie our yarn to our crochet hook first. Pick any of the chain 3 spaces, slip stitch to join, chain 1, and single crochet in the same space, chain 5, single crochet in the next chain 3 space. Then in the next chain 3 space, we'll work 5 double crochet, chain 5, 5 double crochet. And so our repeat for this round is single crochet in the next chain 3 space, chain 5, single crochet in the next chain 3 space, then in the next chain 3 space work 5 double crochet, chain 5, 5 double crochet. And we're going to repeat that all the way around. At the end of the round, we want to slip stitch to the first single crochet at the beginning of the round to join. and fasten off. And this is what the end of round 3 looks like for motif C. You want to make a total of 4 of this motif in a variety of different colors mixed together, but you'll need a total of 4 of motif C.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all, please feel welcome to leave them for me in the comments. And if you check out the video description, I've provided links for everything we talked about in this video. Let us make time to create, share, and inspire today and every day. I'll see you in the next video.